you say, I have confidence, Americans hear it, but they think you sound strange. Why? Because we don't say, I have confidence. We say something totally different. And today, you'll learn the real way Americans talk about feeling confident.
If you say I am confident or I have confidence, people understand you, but it doesn't sound natural. Today, we're fixing that. Let's go.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Speaklio English. I'm here to help you speak real, natural English.
And I'm here too. We teach English the way Americans really speak it, not textbook English, real English.
Today's topic is super important. We're talking about confidence, how to express it, how to say you're confident, how to say someone else is confident, and how to say you're not confident.
This comes up all the time. Job interviews, meeting new people, talking about yourself. You need to know this.
And if you want to practice real English with us every week, hit that subscribe button. We make speaking English easy and natural.
Okay, ready? Let's start with the biggest mistake.
So here's what learners say. They say, I have confidence or I am confidence.
Right, and grammar-wise, I have confidence is okay, but Americans almost never say it.
Exactly. It sounds formal. It sounds like a textbook. Americans use different words.
So what do we say?
We say, I'm confident. That's it. Simple, natural, real.
I'm confident. Not I have confidence, not I am confidence.
Let me show you. Wrong way, I have confidence in my English. Correct way, I'm confident about my English.
Hear the difference? I'm confident. Way more natural.
Or another example. Wrong, she has a lot of confidence. Better, she's really confident.
She's really confident. That's what you'll hear in real conversations.
Now, sometimes we do use the word confidence, but usually in different phrases. We'll teach you those too.
But first, let's practice the main one. I'm confident.
Okay, so I'm confident is the key phrase. Let's practice it in different situations.
Situation 1. Someone asks, are you ready for the presentation? You answer,
Yes, I'm confident.
perfect. Yes, I'm confident. Say it with me. I'm confident.
I'm confident.
Good. Now let's add more detail. I'm confident about this project.
I'm confident about this project. Notice we say confident about something.
Right. You can also say confident in something, like I'm confident in my ability.
I'm confident in my ability. Both work. Confident about or confident in.
Let's practice. I'll say a situation, you say the confident phrase. Ready?
Ready.
You're talking about your cooking skills.
I'm confident in my cooking.
Great. Now you're talking about a job interview tomorrow.
I'm confident about the interview.
Perfect. See how easy that is?
Now let's talk about other people. If you want to say someone else is confident, you use the same word.
He's confident. She's very confident. They seem confident.
Let's try it. Describe your friend who speaks English well.
My friend is really confident when she speaks English.
Excellent. She's really confident, natural and clear.
Okay, so we know I'm confident is the main way, but what about the word confidence?
Good question. We do use confidence, but in specific phrases.
Here are the most common ones. Ready?
First phrase, build confidence. Americans say this a lot.
I want to build my confidence. This class helps me build confidence.
Build confidence. Say it. Build confidence.
Build confidence.
Next phrase, boost confidence. Similar meaning. Boost means to increase or improve.
This practice boosts my confidence.
This practice boosts my confidence. Great phrase.
Another one, lose confidence, when you feel less confident.
I lost confidence after that mistake. Don't lose confidence.
Don't lose confidence. Really common in encouragement.
And here's a big one, self-confidence.
She has a lot of self-confidence. He needs to work on his self-confidence.
Self-confidence. That's when you believe in yourself.
So notice we use confidence with these action words, build, boost, lose, and have.
But when you're describing how you feel right now, we use I'm confident.
Exactly. I'm confident for describing. Build confidence for the process.
Now let's talk about the opposite. What if you're not confident?
Great question. You can say, I'm not confident.
I'm not confident about this test. Simple and clear.
But there's another really common word Americans use.
What's that?
Insecure.
Oh, yes. Insecure means you lack confidence. You feel uncertain or worried.
I feel insecure about my English.
I feel insecure about my English. That's very natural.
Another one, I'm unsure.
I'm unsure about this decision. I'm unsure if I can do it.
I'm unsure, also really common.
Or you can say, I'm nervous.
I'm nervous about the presentation. I'm nervous to speak in front of people.
All of these show lack of confidence. I'm not confident. I feel insecure. I'm unsure. I'm nervous.
Let's practice. I'll describe a feeling, you choose the best word.
Okay,
You're worried about making mistakes when you speak English.
I feel insecure about my English.
Good. Now you're not sure if you're ready for the exam.
I'm unsure if I'm ready.
Perfect. And you're worried about tomorrow's interview.
I'm nervous about the interview.
Excellent. You're getting it.
Now let's put this into real conversations. I'll be person A, you be person B.
Got it.
Scenario 1, at work. Hey, are you ready for the big meeting?
Yeah, I'm confident. I prepared a lot.
Perfect, natural and clear. Let's try another. How do you feel about your presentation?
Honestly, I'm a bit nervous, but I'm working on building my confidence.
Great answer. You used 2 phrases, I'm nervous and building my confidence.
Now I'll ask you, do you think you'll pass the driving test?
I'm not sure. I'm not very confident about parking.
Good. You said I'm not very confident about parking. Let's do one more.
Okay, talking to a friend. Why don't you apply for that job?
I don't know. I feel insecure about my qualifications.
You should apply anyway. This could help boost your confidence.
Perfect. See how these phrases fit into real conversations?
They're everywhere. Job interviews, school, friends, dating, family.
Now let's practice some more. Repeat after me. I'm confident about my skills.
I'm confident about my skills.
I need to build my confidence.
I need to build my confidence.
She's really confident.
She's really confident.
I feel insecure sometimes.
I feel insecure sometimes.
Great job. You're doing amazing.
Before we finish, let's learn a few more common expressions.
These are phrases you'll hear in movies, at work, everywhere.
First one, confidence is key.
Confidence is key. This means confidence is very important.
If you want to succeed, confidence is key.
Another one, fake it till you make it.
Fake it till you make it. This means act confident even if you don't feel confident.
I was so nervous, but I just faked it till I made it.
Last one, you've got this.
You've got this. This is encouragement. It means you can do it.
Don't worry about the test. You've got this.
Such a positive phrase. Americans say it all the time.
So remember, confidence is key. Fake it till you make it. You've got this.
Okay, let's quickly review what we learned today.
Don't say, I have confidence or I am confidence.
Say, I'm confident.
I'm confident about my English. I'm confident in my ability.
To talk about the noun, use phrases like build confidence or boost confidence.
If you're not confident, say, I'm not confident. I feel insecure or I'm nervous.
And remember the expressions, confidence is key. Fake it till you make it. You've got this.
That's it. You now know how to talk about confidence like a real American.
Great job today. You learned so much.
Now it's time for your homework.
We want you to practice. Go to the comments right now.
Write one sentence using today's lesson. You can say, I'm confident about my English.
Or you can say, I'm building my confidence with Speaklio English.
Or, I feel more confident after this lesson.
Any sentence, just practice. Write it in the comments.
And we'll read your comments. We'll reply. We'll cheer you on.
Because we want you to succeed. We want you to speak English confidently.
If you enjoyed this lesson, hit that like button.
And subscribe to Speaklio English. We post real English lessons every week.
No textbooks, no boring grammar, just real practical English.
Remember, learning English is a journey. Some days you feel confident. Some days you feel nervous.
That's totally normal. Keep practicing, keep watching, keep speaking.
You've got this.
You really do. Thanks for learning with us today.
See you in the next lesson.
Keep speaking, keep practicing, and stay confident.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.